After years of conflict, Mogadishu has been restoring city services now that relative stability has returned. But for the city of 2 million people, garbage collection remains a challenge. Heaps of garbage can be seen on roadsides, posing a health risk. Mogadishu's mayor has recently signed an agreement with the municipality of Istanbul to support garbage disposal and beautification.
We are opening up the roads that were cut off before, and we are also clearing the garbage mountains, and God willing, we shall have the entire city clean.
The Turkish Red Crescent placed litter bins on the roadsides. Trucks can then collect them for safe disposal outside the city.
What we are doing is restoring the beauty of the capital. We clean roads, few potholes, and we're working on drainage system of the city. The city is now improving its look.
Garbage collection is now a daily exercise. Trucks take trash to 2 dump sites outside the city. This city doesn't have the potential to recycle litter and make good use of waste, but in the meantime, garbage collection service will help the municipality's goal of beautifying the city. Residents feel this garbage disposal project could transform the look of the hitherto ghost city.
I'm really happy that there is finally an organized system of garbage disposal. This city's look is changing.
This is such a prudent initiative. This city is not the same anymore. I think the glory days are back.
Part of upgrading the city is the construction of the 23-kilometer road that links the presidential palace to the airport. Mohammed Irmogi, CCTV, Mogadishu.